Hey everybody, and welcome. Let's say you're trying to find the average value of a function over an interval. For example, f of x equals x squared on minus 1 to 2. Well, how do we even get started? In this video, we will cover an intuitive approach to this problem so that you never forget it. Let's dive in. Alright, so what's the trick? Well, we know that f of x moves down and then up over the interval minus 1 to 2. And we know that under the curve f of x is an area. But what if a bulldozer came through and leveled that area into a perfect rectangle? Well, the rectangle would have the same area as was under the curve f of x, because we just moved some sand around. Except the top of the rectangle is now given by a constant function. In fact, the value of this constant function is equal to the average value of f of x over 1 to 2. But why is this so? Recall, the area underneath f of x is found by adding up the infinitesimally thin rectangles under the curve over precisely every point in minus 1 to 2. If you'd like a refresher of this idea, check out my video on areas under curves, link in the description below. Well, to find the average value of f of x, that is, the average value of these heights, we simply need to divide the summed area by the length of our interval from minus 1 to 2. So you see, the average value of f of x is the height of a rectangle, whose area over minus 1 to 2 is equal to the area under f of x over minus 1 to 2. Let's see this trick in action. Alright, let f of x equal x squared, and we'll find the average value of f of x over the interval from minus 1 to 2. Well, if a bulldozer came through and leveled the area under f of x into a perfect rectangle, we know the height of the rectangle would be the average value of f of x. In particular, the area under f of x is given by the integral from minus 1 to 2 of f of x dx. And we can compute that pretty easily, like so. Aha! It's 3. Now, if 3 is the area of a rectangle over minus 1 to 2, we can easily solve for its height as 3 over 2 minus negative 1, so it's 1. And that's it. Thank you for checking out this week's video. If you found it helpful, smash like to let me know. And if studying has you tired and hungry, I have some coffee K-cups and healthy snack options in the description that you might like to try. Taking the special Amazon links in the description help to support this channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you again for tuning in. Peace!